Hi there, my name is Dr. Stacy Shropshire, and I'm the owner of Evolution Body Transformation, and I'm here with the fabulous Jodie Radtke, who works with us, and she has been in the aesthetic industry for over 20 years, and she's just an amazing wealth of information. So we just wanted to kind of have a little conversation and pick your brain and give people a little bit of idea of what we're all about here at the clinic and how our focus is really very much on education for people so people can make informed decisions. So for us, we really feel like the consultation is actually more important than the treatment. So what do you feel about that, Jodie?
I am in complete agreement with you on that. The consultation is crucial because every face ages differently. What works for one person may not be good for the other person.
Right.
It's very important to tailor and really customize what is that person looking for?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And a lot of people see something on TikTok or Instagram or their best friend got a particular treatment or something, and it's not actually universally applicable to every face.
Correct.
And a lot of times you have to blend different services together to get an outcome, and that's where someone with so much experience like you would be just an amazing resource just to come and chat with.
Yeah, I think that, good providers say no. Just because, again, it worked for this person or a friend doesn't necessarily mean that's the right treatment for you. And so I typically say no a lot, but that's okay because I say yes to other things that's appropriate for their concern.
And I think that's also important because people don't want to waste money, right?
Correct.
Especially in this economy, you want to do something that's safe, effective, reliable, and gets you the results you're looking for. You don't want to just have a whole drawer of the latest skincare.
Right. And I think too that, it's my job is to educate you and not to sell you on stuff, right?
Right.
I get it. We all, the economy is what it is right now. And my job is to say, okay, this is your concern. This would be the most beneficial for you. This is why it works. This is what we should do. And at the end of the day, I'm educating that patient. I'm not trying to sell them anything.
Absolutely. Absolutely. How do you know if a provider is giving good advice or just selling? If somebody popped into a different med spa, how would they kind of get that vibe?
So if they're giving you a slew of, you need, 85 of this and 3 of this, and let's do this, and you walk out with a book of these are the treatments that you should do, and you should be in here every month, or you should be in here for, that's a red flag. I really like to take the time and build that trust with people because that's ultimately, I'm working on your face, right?
Right.
And so it's a very intimate relationship that I develop with people. And I definitely want you to trust me. I don't want you to do 25 different things with me. I want to start simple. I want to build from that and really establish that trust because that to me is what's important.
And all of the people coming in here are walking billboards for us, right?
Yeah.
So the best beauty treatments, I think, are the ones that people don't notice that have been done.
Right.
So if somebody's just like, oh, you look so refreshed and natural, right? We don't want to be like, oh my gosh, you had something done.
Right.
Where did you go? Who did that? Right. So
exactly.
We want to kind of be the behind the scenes, tucked in your back pocket best friend.
Yeah. And I just think, again, just having that honesty and not selling, not having that pressure of, a person walks in and like I said, they walk out with, okay, you need 85 of this and this and this and this and this and this. And they felt worse walking out than they did walking in. And I definitely don't ever want anyone to feel that way.
Right. Well, that's a great point. I mean, I feel like we all have that in our hearts as what we built this whole business around is that I wanted to go to a place where I could feel comfortable. I mean, I don't have the prettiest Louis Vuitton bag. I don't have the nicest car. I don't look like a Barbie doll, but I wanted to go somewhere where they would be welcoming and honest with me and I could trust and I didn't feel like I was judged or pressured.
Pressured or, sale. And just to educate them, I think is one of my passions. I'm not a salesman.
Yeah.
I'm an educator.
You are.
So
I've seen you at work. You're amazing.
Well, thank you. Thank you. And that's what I love to do. If I can build that rapport with someone and that trust with someone, to me, that's invaluable because as we go on the journey and as we continue to age, treatments change, things change.
Of course.
So walking into me at 20 versus dealing with a 50-year-old or older, those treatment suggestions are going to change.
Of course.
That skincare is going to change. And so it's just kind of, I love the fact that I can have someone trust me enough to work on their face. I mean, that's the ultimate, I don't even know what word I'm looking for, but it just means a lot to me.